This 3-year-old female wrasse is the eldest in her shoal. Every day, she and the other females visit this sea fan. It's home to the only male wrasse on the reef. He fertilizes the eggs of every female here. And the oldest is always at the front of the line. But in the ocean, circumstances can change very quickly. The male has disappeared. Without a male on the reef, the females can't breed. Within minutes, the old female reacts with an extraordinary solution. She stops producing the female hormone, estrogen, and her scales begin to change color. Her body starts to subtly alter shape. After 3 weeks, her transformation is complete. She has become a he. By blocking her female hormones and producing male ones, this brilliant old fish has changed sex. As the new male, he will now fertilize all the wrasse eggs spawned on this reef.